wasn't gonna film nothing on the way home, keep it a stack, but me, Long Island Beamer, and the red M3 up there, as well as the E46 M3, are bugging out on the way home. So I'm going to record it. My battery on my GoPro only has 40% left in it. So yo, what's going on, guys? It's Jaywhips back with another video. And when I think I said 40%, well, I meant to say 14%. So this is going to be a probably pretty short video. I don't know how long that's going to last. Oh, we're bugging. Oh, my son is wilding out in the red M3. Gotta be ready on them brakes. Of course, right when I start recording, we hit traffic. My phone died too, so I have no GPS, or I have the Navi on the car, but I can always use that if it becomes an emergency. Alright, seeing that we're getting into 4 lanes here, I'm going to assume that this is where we're going to get. Yep, I knew it. Oh, this M3. Silver M3 was getting me nervous there on my right side. I didn't know if he was going to switch left with me or not. Oh, we should have went right. White was wide open. Got the E46 behind me. This M3, I don't know if you guys have noticed in a couple of my meet videos, I walked past a red M3 and I said it's my favorite car. That's him right there. Voodoo is my favorite color. Voodoo is like my favorite color that comes out of the factory for those cars. But favorite like setup, fully done setup in a show car at the meets is this one for sure. I love the color. If I ever, back in the day, or I shouldn't say back in the day, but 4 or 5 years ago when I was thinking about buying an M4, my plan was actually to wrap it that same color, like satin red. So that's why I like that color so much. And his rim, oh, his cop right there. That was bad. That was bad. That was bad. I don't think he's even noticing though. But yeah, like I was saying, I love the wheels, the fitment he has with the rims he's got, and the color setup is super nice. I mean, a lot of people got really nice cars, but like I said, his is my favorite. It's also very different. I'm sure it's a wrap. I'm pretty sure it's a wrap. So, you don't see a lot of people with that color. Oh, that's gonna get tight right there, but we're in there. Yeah, these guys drive. I don't know, this video will probably come out after the Bear Mountain video. In the Bear Mountain video, you'll see that these guys on those, me and these two and a couple other guys go on the Bear Mountain roads, and these guys drive, man. So there probably won't, if I make an outro to this video, it's gonna skip to like my house or something, because I'm just gonna film this till my battery dies again. Oh, the GTI is getting involved. The Don't Cry one. that's called knowing your limits. I was not making that cut, and I knew I wouldn't have made it. Got me on that one. Ain't nothing I'm doing about that. Oh, maybe. So I just put one of my other batteries in the camera and it has 47%. So although we just ran into a whole lot of traffic, Long Island Beamer's right in front of this Versa here. If it starts getting crazy again, I got battery to cut it back on, so I might make a whole nother video. So if we get crazy again, we start cutting again, I'll cut you guys back in. Alright, so now I'm alone. I lost Long Island Beamer, and I lost the red Beamer, and I lost the E46, all in different directions. Long Island Beamer I lost that way, red Beamer I lost that way, and E46 I lost that way as well. I lost one forward and two backwards. So now I'm just cutting up on myself. Well, unless this is a cop in this Charger right here. Oh. I don't think it is. Phone died, so I'm using the car's navigation to get where I'm going here. This is Cross Island Parkway we're on right now. So I said it in the last video. Oh man, we're hitting the brakes real hard here. I said in the last video, the Bear Mountain video, which was filmed a couple hours ago, not even like an hour ago. I'm looking for an exhaust sponsor or honestly any kind of sponsor for a modification that I actually want to do. But modification in regards to exhaust or downpipes or something like that would obviously be ideal. I don't know if I'm even close to big enough for that yet, but someone told me to start asking for it. So hey man, if you run an exhaust company and you want to set something up, let me know. All right, so we're back here. Oh, looks like the C300 is gonna get going. Oh, it did look like it indeed. City cut-ups here. I mean, well, it literally is New York City cut-ups, but it's just funny. About it or no? Oh, we got a whole lot of stopping going on up here. I could see like the SUVs and like the crossovers taking that turn. Ooh, that was a big little pothole. I hate when I say that. The SUVs taking that turn, you can see their like body roll and stuff, like they're having a hard time taking the turn. Like that's like the max speed that truck could take the turn, and I'm just like wink, wink, wink right through them while taking the same turn. That's what I love about these cars, man. Worth every penny. Or something. Thing is, I'm like afraid to cut up towards the city right now because I'm pretty close to New York City right now. Just because nowadays anybody's a cop. Like it's so many different undercover cars they got nowadays, and I'm not one of these guys who are gonna run from the cops every time. Got this little Honda Easy going at it. It looks like is that a Mazda CX-5 I just saw cutting up? That looks like a Mazda CX. That is indeed a Mazda CX-5 with rims. Jack X5, bro, that's hard. I'm not gonna lie, that is kind of gangsta. He's got the plate with like the custom plate. Look, he pushed the CX-5. Look, you can see it's lowered in comparison. That's actually fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Cut up with my son. Got a little group going. Oh, this Mr. CX-5 took a weird turn. Oh, we got an M3 with us too. Well, that might even be from the meet. Oh, E92. Oh, it is from the meet. Crazy I do all this without going over the speed limit. Isn't that nuts? Anybody else know anybody who could do that? All this cutting up without ever going over the speed limit? Come on, bro. A guy like me? no Waze. I got no radar. I'm blue balling this, or not blue balling this, raw dogging this right now. The orange Porsche truck up there. I think that's a Porsche truck. S2K is probably stupid fast for no reason. I gotta get myself on some sort of schedule, because right now I just make videos when I can make them and then post them when I'm done editing them. I gotta make some sort of like time that I'm always gonna post. Like, since I'm gonna be filming on Sundays, it usually takes me, depending on the meet, if it's like a crazy long meet, which like the last two have been, or I should say 3. Oh, I don't know how long the Bear Mountain one was yet, because I'm filming this on the way home from the Bear Mountain one, so I haven't edited it yet. But the first two, the New York City to Philly one, and then the Tri-State one to the drag strip, those two both took me like a day and a half to edit, with like only a couple breaks. So I'm glad I found a battery that had a pretty decent amount of juice left in it, because it allowed me to film an entire another video on the way home here. So that's going to be pretty much it. I mean, once I get off this exit here, the rest of the ride is going to be boring, and on top of that, the traffic is gone now. So I did all the cutting up that I could. Oh, seen that? What do you call it? Like that? I don't know the name of the color, but like that highlighter yellow / green G80 just went by on the other side of the road. I'm sure there's other meets going on. Alright, man, I appreciate you guys for watching another video. It's been Jaywhips. I'll see you guys in the next video. Drop a like, sub up if you enjoyed the content. I hope you enjoyed that Bear Mountain meet video, because I haven't posted it yet. I haven't even edited it yet, so when you see this one, that video will have already been dropped. So hopefully you guys enjoyed both of these, that one and this one. I thought that was the boys, but it's the fire department. And with that, I will see you in the next one. Drop a like, sub up if you enjoy the content. Peace out.
And that's just me for you. I've been moving, I've been drinking, I've been riding through the hood. I've been waving hands in one hand like my nigga was real good. I've been all about the beat, but I won't take the beat. Step to me, I wish a nigga would.